guys, and welcome to another video. In today's video I have got a super chilled day planned and I thought that I would take you along with me. But first I've got to make our tea and I've got to clean the kitchen. I've been finding it so hard to sleep recently, so I went to Aldi and made sure I picked up some decaf. And here's my messy kitchen. I know it doesn't look that bad, but the sides really needed wiping and I had my dishwasher to unload. I don't know why I leave these things to the morning. I think I get so lazy and tired in the night that I think, do you know what, leave it, do it in the morning. And in the morning I'm like, I guess I've got to do it now. It's a pain and I should really just start being more proactive and getting things done. Something that takes 5 minutes, I should just do it there and then. There's no reason, there's no excuse. As you can see, I'm not using anything fancy. It's just your bog standard Aldi anti-bac spray. I did used to use Soflora in a spray bottle, but I found that I'd get so bored of the scent. Like, I'd start off absolutely loving it and then come like a week in, I'd be like, oh, this again. At least with like an anti-bac spray, it's always going to just be like lemon. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Anyone else make an absolute mess with cat food or dog food? Just me? I actually can't believe how long it has taken me to wipe down this side. I swear guys, this is how normally I clean. I swear I'm clearly just slow or using the wrong cloth. Wow. Okay, so here's my mini dishwasher. Far too small for just even 2 people, I swear. So once again with the darkness, I'm so sorry. I really need to up my skills with the old camera, clearly. So I got some dishwasher tablets from Asda, and I don't know if anyone else had to do like the online orders, but we ordered these really nice dishwasher tablets and Aldi sent us these subs for like they're literally just like the Asda Smart price or whatever. So this is my first time trying it and instantly discard one item because it's just still caked in stuff. I don't know if that was down to me, like user error, but I'm going to give them one more try. But the thing is, they gave me like 2 boxes and I hate waste and I don't want to order. I don't like go to Aldi and just pick them up because, hello, the virus. Now I've finished making a mountain out of an absolute molehill, I can sit down and drink my tea, watch my programme, finish with a hand from the other day, from the last video. Now I've done all that, I am going to chill with a cuppa. I've got my favourite programme on and I'm going to be writing some of my dissertation. I'm nowhere near done. Let me just show you. It might say nearly 5,000, but actually take a good 1,000 off my references and I've still got 2,000 left to go. Oh my god, there's so much to do and it's mostly rubbish. So there we go. Okay, so last minute, submitting my work. Fingers crossed. There we go. What? Oh my god. What does that mean? That is scary. Oh my god, let me find out. Okay, so I think I've figured it out. There was an extension, but for some reason it still says the old submission date. And that's why it's saying late. But my screen is dirty. Now that's over with, I need to go and take my best friend called Keith for a walk. He's the cutest little Frenchie. So I thought in today's video I could show you some of the sights. We don't get to go out very often, so that looks awful. Should we go this way? Come on then, let's go. Yeah. There's usually horses on this field, but as you can see, they've probably been moved. Lovely. So where I live, I am really lucky to live on the town park. Okay, that looks awful. Oh, there we go. And right by my house is this big lake. It is massive. Keith, should we keep on going? Come on then. He's a really good boy. And he is not my dog. He's my neighbour's dog. Yeah, so his owner has got a baby. And she is my neighbour. So I offered to walk Keith because he's a little bundle of delight. And let's make the most of this dry weather. It's apparently meant to get even colder, and do you know what? It's absolutely freezing now. So why not go out? Come on then, Keith, should we go? Come on, let's go, go, go. So as you saw earlier, I submitted one assignment, but unfortunately that's not my last. I've actually got my dissertation to finish off. So down this way there tends to be horses. Where can we see? There's the horse. There's two. And a bit further down the path we have got another horse field. Sorry for my janky filming. Keith, does anyone else's dog really like to sniff other dogs' wee? I mean, I think it is pretty typical. Come on, let's go. Good boy, good boy, yeah. And then he stops. Ah. So, where I'm going to take you guys next has another horse field, and it's got like a miniature pony. I don't really know my horses all that well, but there we go again. But there is like a little, I don't really know what to call it. It's a bit like a gathering place, and it's got this seating area called the Onion. Now, if you're from my town, you're going to know exactly where I am. I mean, you probably know already. But there's a really nice vantage point of the south of my town. We have just completely pegged it from up there. But I wanted to stop to show you the horse field I was just on about. There's 1, 2, and number 3. So stunning around here. And there's Keith. Keith is very excited. I think he knows where he is. Right, sniffing into the post. And here's where my phone dies. There we go. Here's a photograph that I took before of the point I was on about. So there we have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate everyone that has been clicking on. I know that I'm relatively new and I'm learning, but do you know what? Like seeing you watching and clicking, it really does mean a lot and it's really encouraging. So thank you. Enjoy the rest of your week.